Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term Alcaics in poetry. Definition and origin. Alcaics is a 4-lined stanza or strophe named after the Greek poet Alcaios, a native of Lesbos who lived from the late 7th to early 6th century BCE. This classical stanza form has its roots deeply embedded in ancient Greek poetry, where it was used to convey both lyrical and political themes. The form's association with Alcaios highlights its importance in the poetic traditions of ancient Greece, reflecting the poet's innovative contributions to the art of verse. Meter and structure. The structure of Alcaics is predominantly dactylic, characterized by a specific metrical arrangement that contributes to its rhythmic and melodic qualities. The typical scheme for Alcaics involves a pattern where a stressed syllable is followed by 2 unstressed syllables. This metrical arrangement creates a distinctive cadence that is both complex and pleasing to the ear, challenging poets to master its intricate patterns. Historical usage. While Alcaics was widely popular among Italian poets between the 15th and 18th centuries, its usage in English poetry has been relatively rare. Italian poets embraced the form for its classical elegance and expressive potential, integrating it to their literary traditions. However, the form did not gain the same level of popularity in England, where other stanza forms and metrical patterns were more commonly explored. Notable English poets. Despite its limited popularity in England, several notable English poets have experimented with Alcaics, demonstrating its versatility and enduring appeal. Among these poets are A.G. Swinburne, Arthur Hugh Clough, Alfred Lord Tennyson, and Robert Louis Stevenson. Their works highlight the form's potential for conveying complex ideas and emotions within the constraints of its metrical structure. Example: Tennyson's Alcaics on Milton. One of the well-known examples of Alcaics in English poetry is Tennyson's 16-line poem dedicated to John Milton. The poem begins with the following lines: O mighty-mouthed inventor of harmonies, O skilled to sing of time or eternity, God-gifted organ voice of England, Milton, a name to resound for ages. In these lines, Tennyson employs the Alcaic form to pay tribute to Milton's literary genius, using the rhythmic and melodic qualities of the stanza to enhance the poem's celebratory tone. Example: Stevenson's Alcaics to H.I.B. Another notable example is Robert Louis Stevenson's Alcaics to H.I.B., which begins with the stanza, Brave lads in olden musical centuries sang night by night adorable choruses, sat late by alehouse doors in April, chanting in joy as the moon was rising. Stevenson's use of Alcaic form in this poem evokes a sense of nostalgia and reverence for the past, capturing the essence of bygone eras with its rhythmic elegance. Conclusion. In conclusion, Alcaics is a classical stanza form that, despite its limited popularity in English poetry, has been effectively used by several notable poets to convey complex ideas and emotions. Its intricate metrical structure and rhythmic qualities make it a challenging but rewarding form for poets. The examples of Tennyson and Stevenson illustrate the form's potential to enhance the lyrical and expressive power of poetry, ensuring its continued relevance and appeal in the literary world. So this was our discussion on Alcaics in poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.